is how you move a SolarCity's IBC biodigester on a SolarCity's IBC gas holder. This is one part of the gas holder which we're moving over closer to the RV. And if it was the biodigester itself, you would just drain it. When you need to move it, you need to keep the pipes in because they would not get damaged if you're rolling it along the roll bars of the digester. So I remember doing this in the streets of California in 2010. I'm doing it up in Alaska, doing it in Nigeria, Dominican Republic, so many places I've been where we've moved biodigesters and just by rolling them. So if you have a biodigester and you move, you can move the biodigester. It takes about 2 people, easier with 3 to lift it onto a pickup truck, but then you can roll it wherever you need it. This digester here, we're going to move. I just drained it today. This is the biodigester that has the solar heater on top with the solar hot water barrel. It needs to be refurbished, needs to be repainted, needs to be fixed up, and it's going to move down to the off-grid village demonstration area down that way by the raised beds over on the other side. And so, yeah, do a lot. This one is insulated, and I started removing the insulation, and I'm going to insulate it again so the solar hot water can heat it up and you don't lose a lot of heat because of the insulation and rigid foam. But it shows you how you can build a solar hot water heater and use it as use the biodigester as the stand for the solar hot water tank, so you can thermosiphon and have a 2-in-1 kind of package. And we'll be moving that down and fixing it up and demonstrating. Whereas this floating gas holder is going to the RV, and it's good because the pump isn't doing well, and when you consider most people in the world don't have any electricity, and getting a pump is expensive and difficult, and if it fails, then they wouldn't be without gas. We're going to be demonstrating that the floating IBC works as a good way of pressurizing the gas for the kitchen stove. So thank you, Lindley, for taping that, and I'll be on my way.